Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I've half done my makeup and we've woken up a little bit late this morning. Megan stayed around last night because we didn't have any uni again. Uni has been cancelled for the last 3 days, which is kind of annoying because I could have gone home a lot earlier than I was supposed to. I'm going home today and I was going to go after my last lecture at about 3 o'clock, so I bought a train ticket for 4:30 because I thought, oh, I'll get back at 3 and then that'll give me enough time. But now it's cancelled, so I could have gone literally on Wednesday if I wanted to, which is so annoying. But what can you do? Like, it's fine. I would have gone back today anyway, so I'm just fingers crossed hoping that no trains get cancelled because apparently the snow is going to be starting again this evening or late afternoon, and I'm really worried that it's going to affect my travel. And apparently it's really bad where I live. Like, apparently my mum and my brother or something had to try and push the car up the hill because my house is on the top of like a hill and they couldn't even get the car up it, so they had to like abandon it at the bottom of the road. And so, oh god, that's really bright. So yeah, I'm hoping that I get there safely, even if I have to walk from the train station, which will take me a few hours because I don't actually live that close to my train station. But I don't know, it'll all work out in the end, I'm hoping. But I thought I'd vlog it because I want to vlog this weekend and then send my camera off and then hopefully split these vlogs over next week, so I still can upload I still upload vlogs, but obviously I won't be uploading them the day after they go. Like I explained in the last one, I'm not going to talk about it too much because no one probably cares. But yeah, this morning we've had breakfast and I'm just about to start packing to go. It's 1 o'clock now, so it wasn't even morning when I said it. But yeah, I'm just going to pack and I'm going to pop you on the side. I'm taking my bedding home so my mum can wash it because washing stuff here is not cheap. It's literally I think altogether it's just under £5 to wash and dry your clothes. So whenever I go home I try and take back as much as I can, but now I have to get the train instead of my dad picking me up. I'm having to like minimalise what I was actually going to take. So cute. Oh yeah, I brought these yesterday as a snack for the train, so I'm really excited about that because these are my favourite sweets. Love them so much, squishies are amazing. And then I bought a few things in Tiger for Easter because on my blog I like having like little blog decorations and stuff when I do like recipes, when I like bake and stuff at Easter. So I've bought some actual baking cups, which are so cute because they're little chicks and they have cute little ears. I'm so excited about this. We're going to do some, I think me, Megan and Hattie are going to do a baking video because we absolutely love doing the Halloween one in October. So if you haven't seen our Halloween baking video on my main channel, then I'm going to link it down below because it was really funny to make. And then we also always do like shitty baking stuff in my vlogs. We're actually going to do a proper video making these and some other things that Hattie's mum bought us. And then I've got these cute little eggs I'm going to use when I take some like Easter photos for like just general like spring posts. And same with these, I've got some cute little eggs again. This one has a little chicken. But yeah, I really love getting like little blog props, and Tiger is so cheap for stuff like that. So I'm really excited to take loads of cute photos when I get back from home. Yeah, that's what I bought and I'm really excited to eat these on the train, so I'm going to pop that in my bag. I've almost finished packing. My suitcase is so full because I'm taking things home for my mum to wash. Then I've got some other things in here, so I've got some like jewellery, my journal. I need to put some of my other things. Oh, I also bought this yesterday because I absolutely loved this as a child. I just really wanted some more, so I've got some of the Nesquik strawberry milkshakes. I'm really looking forward to those when I get back too. Oh, I need to put my deodorant in there, that would be wonderful. And yeah, I'm almost done, almost sorted. Put the cards away. I really need to get some food before I go because otherwise I'm going to be starving. I know it's a 2.5 hour train journey. It only takes about just over an hour and a half to get here in the car, so I don't know why the train's going to take so long, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to get back today with the snow. But I think it's starting to rain a tiny bit, which is perfect because Oh, I don't even know, because the weather might be different back home. I'm going to have to ring my mum and find out. Because I just really don't want to walk in the snow with my suitcase from the train station back to home. Who knows? Right, I'm almost done, and then I'm going to go make some food. So I'm just on the way to the train station. Everything's been a bit crazy, but look, I'm having to drag my suitcase through the snow, and it is awful. I'm almost at the station, so thank God, and hopefully my trains are still running. I did check online and it said they were, so fingers crossed. I've got to the train station about half an hour before it's actually coming, because I'm too scared that it will leave without me and I won't be here on time. I was so worried because of the snow, like it's so thick, and dragging my suitcase was such an arm workout. But I'm finally here. I walked so fast, so I'm literally here half an hour early. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill here. There's not really many people here. I should arrive in Wellingborough about 7 o'clock. I'm travelling to Nottingham. Yeah, I'm travelling to Nottingham, then Nottingham to Wellingborough, so I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see my family, and I'm praying that the train from Nottingham to, I think it's Nottingham to London, and then I get off at Wellingborough. I'm hoping that that train's still running, because apparently London and Wellingborough at the minute, it's snowing, so fingers crossed. I just want to see my family, really, because I've been planning this for ages, and I need to have my orthodontist appointment tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to make that. It depends on the weather. But at least I'll be able to see my family, and then I'm coming back to Lincoln on Tuesday morning, because I don't have any lectures on Monday, and then I have a lab session 3 till 6 on the Tuesday, so I'll be coming back to Lincoln on Tuesday morning. I'm sure the snow will have stopped by then. I wanted to have a chat with you because I'm going to be bored sitting here for 30 minutes, and I don't want to use my phone because I don't want it to run out of battery before I get home, because I'm really worried that no one's going to be able to pick me up from the station. And I've probably told you this about 50 times because I'm panicking and I just need to vent out what I'm feeling. It should be here soon though, because I think it's actually starting here, and it usually arrives a little bit before. Fingers crossed. Thank you. So I've managed to get a good seat on the train. I've got like a little table seat, and it's kind of like empty at this side of the carriage. And then I've popped my little suitcase up there. I love like seeing my suitcase because I always get like really worried about stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be leaving Lincoln soon. I'm gonna miss Megan and Hattie. We literally say we have separation anxiety. We always like love being with each other and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna look forward to go seeing my family. I've just been speaking to my mum on the phone, and it looks like they might be able to pick me up. I'm pretty sure they will from the station. I'm gonna sit and edit some, edit some photos and write some blog posts to keep my mind at ease while I'm travelling. And then I'll be getting off at Nottingham and changing over, and hopefully it will go smoothly. Right, so I've had an absolute nightmare. When I got to Nottingham, it was all fine, and I got on the right train, but there was the lighting isn't great in here. There was a 40-minute delay. 40 minutes. We had to just sit in the train until they could find another staff member to like board the train before we left to go to London. My stop is about 2 minutes away. I'm about 50 minutes later than I was supposed to be here, but at least I'm home. At least the snow didn't stop me from getting home, so I'm really excited. I think my dad's waiting at the car park, so I'm so excited. But it's been such an effort travelling, because it usually takes like an hour and a half in the car, and it's taken way over 3 hours. At least I'm safe. Yay! So I am finally home. I have my entire outfit on with a onesie over the top because it is freezing. For those of you that are new to my channel, my room is downstairs, and it's literally 3 of the walls are surrounded by the outside, so it's literally freezing. It was, before we moved in, it was like a garage that was converted to a room, so my room's downstairs, which is a good thing in some ways because I'm close to the kitchen, and if anyone stays around then we can make a little bit of noise without like disturbing anyone else. It's freezing, so I think I'm going to be sleeping upstairs or doing something tonight that's not going to make me freeze to death. But yeah, I'm in my room. It's so bare in here because obviously everything's at uni. I've got my little ballet canvas up there, loving life. I'll do a little room tour actually. It's really ugly. Pre-warn you, this is like a realistic sort of room tour because my room is horrible at the minute, and I've got Christmas stuff still out because I haven't been back since Christmas, so lol. So as you come into my room, I have like a little clothing rack here. Then this random studio light which is just chilling there that apparently I left like that. Got some Jaffa cakes. I usually keep all my blogger mail stuff down here in like boxes so I can review them. And then my extremely messy, look how horrible my room is, I'm so sorry. My entire like makeup storage, and it's supposed to be just dedicated to my beauty stuff. I've got like, let me see if I can open this without ruining everything. Yeah, I have like all my palettes and stuff in here and all my eye stuff. Then I've got all my face stuff in these drawers, a couple of like skincare things, brushes, then all my lips and stuff over there. But obviously I've got like half of my stuff at uni. Oh, and my phone tripod, I need to take this back because I'm sending this camera away, so I'm going to use this phone tripod to use whilst I'm out and about. My room is so messy, apologies. Then I've got, like I said, the random studio light. I've got like a little area over here, my chest of drawers, and then loads of like Christmas bags because I didn't put all of my Christmas presents away. I didn't have anywhere to put it away. I think this weekend when everyone's at work, like on Monday, I'm going to have a massive revamp of my room because I have so much shit in here that I just don't want anymore basically. Then on top of my I've got my wardrobe, like my big wardrobe, and on the top I have some photos of me and Aiden from ages ago. That one's from Mexico. Everyone used to ask about this before I went to uni because people were confused why I have two TVs. This one was my old one, but we still haven't managed to find the time to take it off. Take it off the bracket. Take the bracket off the wall, that's what I meant. But this was my grandma's old telly, and then I have my little lamp back there, loads of random shit here, because I've just come back. Aiden's Valentine's present, that backpack from Mexico. Literally, my room is a massive tip, and all this stuff here as well. Love it. Well, hopefully it looks better next time you see this because I think I'm going to have a massive tidy up one day this weekend. My bed does look really cosy though, not going to lie, I'm so excited to get in it. Even though I won't be doing that tonight because it is way too cold to be in here. Oh my god, I've got another phone tripod, I've just seen it. Maybe I'll take two phone tripods just in case one's better than the other. I'll take that back to Lincoln in case I decide to vlog on my phone. Some people are saying to vlog on my phone because the quality difference isn't that bad. Oh, thank you, Mummy. Do you want to say hello to my vlog?
Hello.
Thank you. My dad's making me fajitas for dinner, even though it's literally like 8:30. And I'm so excited because I haven't had a good meal, like a good home cooked meal in absolutely ages. So I'm going to have that. Dave, do you want to say hi to my vlog? My brother's not here. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Hello. 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 And he's just playing on the Xbox at the minute. But hopefully we'll be filming together at the weekend because I love filming with David. And my brother has a channel. He hasn't uploaded it to it recently, which is completely understandable because he's doing A-levels. And to be honest, I don't even know how I uploaded once every week whilst I was doing my A-levels because they were the most stressful things in the world. So yeah, I don't blame him for not uploading as much at the minute. But yeah, if you want to go subscribe to him, I'll leave him down below. But yeah, I'm going to have my food. And yeah, sorry today's vlog has been a bit boring and me just travelling. I'm going to be doing a lot of things over this weekend. I don't even know if people care or just want to see uni vlogs. I don't even know if people care about my actual life as well as uni life. So we'll have to see when this goes up if people still watch me. Thank you very much for watching this very boring travel vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you at the weekend for some fun things. Fingers crossed the snow doesn't ruin anything. Bye!